An AED cabinet is extremely important for the storage of public access defibrillators. If someone suffers a sudden cardiac arrest, prompt action by anyone nearby offers probably their only chance of survival. An immediate 999 call for an ambulance, followed by the commencement of cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, is essential. Most people who survive will have needed a shock from a defibrillator to correct their carotid heart rhythm. The earlier the shock is given, the better their chance of survival. Studies have shown that a shock given within 3 minutes of a cardiac arrest provides the best chances of survival, and that even 1 minute further delay reduces this chance substantially. In most situations, ambulance services will be unable to reach the scene and deliver a shock within 3 minutes. Further studies have shown that immediate delivery of CPR combined with the early use of an automated external defibrillator by members of the public gives a person in cardiac arrest the best chance of surviving. An increasing demand for defibrillators for use by members of the public is now being seen. They are referred to as public access defibrillators. Defibrillators are simple to use and could be used effectively and safely by people who have had no prior training. How's a good defibrillator in an external cabinet? Ensure the unit is always accessible to the community. The AED cabinet provides a safe and secure storage area for the defibrillator and protects it against all weather conditions. A good external cabinet will have a high ingress protection or IP rating, meaning that it's both water and dust tight. This cabinet is IP66 rated, which is the highest on the market. It will have a sign above saying defibrillator. Cabinets can be unlocked or locked. If locked, the access code for the lock is registered with the ambulance service. Upon contacting emergency services, the caller will be notified of the nearest defibrillator and given the access code to it. A viewing window on the cabinet ensures the AED is clearly visible without opening it. It also enables passers-by to easily check the status of the AED indicator and ensure it's ready for use.